Illuminated badge. PWM high headroom power supply. 27 Hz to 63 Hz parametric bass boost. Variable bandwidth adjustment. Max output level, 13.5 volts. Bass restoration with lighted display, illuminated logo plate, and chrome finish. Eyes light up with red LEDs. Max.Bass control with dash mount remote control for PFM subsonic filter and bass level control. Balanced inputs, bass output control with PWM high headroom power supply. Output level, 13.5 volts, frequency response, 10 Hz, 100 kHz. THD, 0.002%, SN ratio, 132 decibels, balanced input noise rejection, 60 decibels. The BASS-12C Digital Bass Machine with chrome finish and subsonic filter from Power Acoustik gives you complete control and customization of the low-end output of your car audio system. It features balanced inputs and outputs for optimum integration into your system. Plus its chrome finish makes a system statement, while lighted indicators with easy-to-use controls help you easily fine-tune your experience. Top reviews from the United States. Nice addition. I use it to cut instead of boost without losing freak. Remote feature controls the sub-amp. Connected directly from sub out of crossover to power amp, find the freak. You like turn it up or find the one that causes problems and cut it. Works for me, you just can't strap it onto some system and crank it and not worry. Some knowledge and tuning will help get the results you are looking for. So far it has felt like someone kicking me on the back of my seat and my hair moves. Wait, I do not have any hair. Good luck.